asexual reproduction of Anthoceras. It is the diagram of asexual reproduction of Anthoceras. After sexual reproduction, diploid zygote is formed in the archegonium of Venter. Venter of archegonium contains zygote. Archegonium present on the gametophytic thallus. Gametophytic thallus is in haploid condition. Gametophytic thallus is in haploid condition. The haploid condition gametophytic thallus containing sexual organs like archegonium and antheridium. By the fusion of two gametes, male and female gametes, diploid zygote is formed in the venter of archegonium. The diploid zygote participated in the mitotic divisions. Diploid zygote participated in the mitotic division. It developed into, the zygote developed into diploid sporophytic thallus. The diploid sporophytic thallus cannot prepare own food. It is depend on the parasitic position. Parasitic position depend on the gametophytic thallus. At early stage, the sporophytic thallus protected by the pericytium leaves. Here it is, perigonial leaves are present. And matured stage, the sporophyte shows three major parts. One is food. Second one is intercalary meristem. Third one is capsule. Intercalary meristem. Third one is capsule. Food is a multicellular structure. It completely present in the venter of archegonium. Completely present in the venter of archegonium. It is a multicellular structure. Mainly, it helps in absorption of nutrients, minerals, food materials from the gametophytic thallus. And the absorbed minerals, food materials, nutrients supplies to sporophytic thallus. Above these food, intercalary meristem is present. Generally, in all types of sporophyte, seta are present above the food. But here, intercalary meristem present above the food. From this intercalary meristem, capsule is developed. From these intercalary meristem tissues, capsule is developed. The capsule is a club-shaped structure. The intercalary meristem tissues are participated in the division. They develop into spore mother cells and columella. Columella present at center region of sporophyte. Around these columella, meristem tissues are participated in the division. Intercalary meristem tissues are participated in the division. They produce spore mother cells. The spore mother cells are in diploid condition. At the lower part of capsule, the spore mother cells are in diploid condition. At terminal part of the capsule, spores mother cells are participated in the meiotic division. They develop into spores. During the division of spore mother cells, some spore mother cells are produced elaters. The elaters are not in hygroscopic condition. The elaters are not in hygroscopic conditions. Only haploid spores are present at the terminal part of the capsule. And at center region of the sporophyte, one pillar-like structure is present. The pillar-like structure is called columella. The columella is in hygroscopic condition. It gives mechanical support to the sporophyte and it helps in the dehiscence of the spores. And the capsule covered by the single layer of jacket cells. Below the jacket cells, spore mother cells, spiral elaters, and haploid spores are present. At matured stage of these capsule or these sporophyte, the columella absorbed water and they are swollen in structure. By the swollen structure, the pressure will be present on the capsule wall. The capsule wall is broken and haploid spores are comes out from the capsule, and haploid spores develop into again gametophytic thallus.